I don't see a difference. Do you? I really don't. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm bringing to the beach. I'm going to be sharing what makeup I'm bringing, what skincare, and most importantly, what sunscreen. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm over 50 years old and I love testing out makeup and skincare products, everything from drugstore to high-end and everything in between. And today I am so excited about this video because we've been going to the beach for the last couple of years. Usually I tend to overpack, okay? I do. Do you? I do. So I've honed in on several products that I feel works great for mature skin, offers sun protection, and super easy to travel with. So without further ado, let's get into the video. How you doing? First things first is sunscreen, especially for your complexion. I've been using the DRMTLGY Universal Tinted Moisturizer SPF 46 for the last couple of years. It's such a beautiful, radiant sunscreen and it is slightly tinted. Now, it claims it's universal, but I find it looks fantastic on my complexion and it offers just a beautiful luminosity and hydrating at the same time. It retails for $26 and you get 1.7 fluid ounces. It offers great protection. It's an antioxidant-rich SPF 46 that's lightweight and oil-free. It's formulated as an all-in-one sunscreen and foundation that blends naturally to match all skin tones, leaving a natural, healthy glow. It also features a high concentration of hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin E. It also protects against UVA, UVB, infrared radiation, and blue light protection. I just use this tinted moisturizer as the last step in my skincare. I find that it just lays beautifully under my makeup, offers a beautiful glow underneath my makeup. If you're looking for a sunscreen that offers fantastic protection, skin-loving ingredients, you can wear it alone or under your makeup, I highly recommend the Universal Tinted Moisturizer SPF 46 from DRMTLGY, and I really think $26 for 1.7 fluid ounces is a very affordable price. When I'm on vacation, I would much rather spend time with my family than in the bathroom trying to get ready. And I found using the Tower 28 Sunny Days SPF 30 Tinted Sunscreen Foundation is fantastic just for that. It retails for $30 and you get 1 ounce and it comes in 14 shades. Now I'm in the shade Mulholland. Now it's a mineral sunscreen that has a natural finish and light to medium coverage. You guys, super easy to travel with. It comes in a little squeezy tube and the coverage is beautiful. I find that it applies to the complexion so easily using your fingertips. Now, if it does get a little streaky, you can always use your dampened beauty blender to just tap it into your skin. It's super easy to build. It feels lightweight and comfortable on the complexion. I find that it evens out my skin without looking too makeup-y or cakey, and the coverage is surprising. Like I said, I'm in the shade Mulholland. I love the packaging. I love how you can just throw it into your makeup bag. I love the squeezy top. Everything about this is fantastic. So if you're looking for a lightweight foundation / skin tint, I highly recommend the Tower 28 Sunny Days SPF 30 Tinted Sunscreen. How you doing? Oh my Lanta. Now for concealer, sounds like we're bringing a lot of makeup to the beach, but I have to bring a concealer in case I get a blemish or I just want to do some spot concealing. And I find that the Kosas Revealer Concealer Brightening Concealer is perfect for just that. It retails for $28 and it comes in 28 shades. Really? Wow. It contains peptides, hyaluronic acid, caffeine, and provitamin B5 to soothe your skin. It's super hydrating. It's medium coverage. I find this blends in beautifully. It doesn't settle into my fine lines, and with all the skin-loving ingredients, it absolutely just blends in perfectly with the Tower 28 foundation. You know this is one of my all-time favorite concealers. The only caveat, I ain't gonna lie, it smells funky, like funky, but the scent definitely dissipates. So if you're looking for a great concealer with caffeine, everything that's going to brighten your eye area, to soothe that under eye area, I highly recommend the Kosas Revealer Concealer. For bronzer, you guys, I tested this out a couple of weeks ago in one of my previous videos. It is brand new. It's from L'Oreal, the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Matte Bronzer. This is multi-purpose. And let me tell you why. Not only is this a beautiful silky formula that you can use as a bronzer, I find that using this particular bronzer on my complexion really kind of sets everything in place. We've got our sunscreen on, we've got the tinted moisturizer on, we've got concealer on. I find that this just plays beautifully on the complexion, really smooths out my skin, and it is the perfect shade for me. I'm in the shade 300, which is light medium, and it comes in 8 shades. It retails for $14.99, and I did not realize it, but look how cute. It has a little compact with a little mirror. Isn't that amazing? Not only do I use this as a bronzer on my face, I use it on my eyes as the transitional shade for eyeshadow. You don't want to drag a big eyeshadow palette when you go on vacation. You want something that's going to be quick and easy. Throw it on into your transitional shade. It gives your eyes depth. It gives it definition. And hello, if it lasts 24 hours, I'm down for that. It is beautiful. It looks great on the skin. It can double as an eyeshadow. I love using products that are multi-purpose, but you have to check out the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Bronzer from L'Oreal. Totally worth it. Now, if I want to jazz up my eye look, if we're going out to dinner and I want to have a little sparkle or shine, I absolutely love the Maybelline Color Tattoo 24-Hour Cream Eyeshadow. Now, this is in the shade High Roller. You guys, all you have to do is take a little bit on your fingertips, tap it onto your eyelid, and you are good to go. It's so reminiscent of Charlotte Tilbury's Eyes to Mesmerize Oyster Pearl, but at the fraction of the price. You know, it's the little pot that you could just throw into your makeup bag. It just offers a little bronzy glow for your eyes that I think is absolutely stunning. Affordable, accessible, easy to throw into your makeup bag. And if you want to, like I said, if you want to jazz up and dress up your eyes for the evening, this is the perfect eyeshadow. Hey, and you're using it with bronzer. That's all you need. That's all you need. I need some coffee. Hello. Hello. Now for eyeliner, you know what I'm going to say. It's my favorite. It doesn't budge. It doesn't smudge. Of course, I'm talking about the L'Oreal Eyeliner Signature Mechanical Pencil. It is my go-to eyeliner. It doesn't budge. It doesn't smudge. It works perfectly in my waterline. You know, at the end of the day, it's still there. It's not transferring down to my lower lashes. It's like the perfect consistency of the eyeliner. Provides that extra pop of definition on my lash band, so it makes my lashes look thicker. And it's a given. It's always a given. It's my favorite. For mascara, when we go to the beach or go to the pool, you want to accentuate your eyelashes, but you don't want to wind up with raccoon eyes. And I know waterproof mascara, I don't know, sometimes they scare me because the formula ends up being brittle on my eyelashes. Well, this was one of my favorites last year, and again, it's another favorite of mine. It is the COVERGIRL CLUMP Crusher, the waterproof formula. It has a silicone wand, and it has very unique bristles that grabs all of your lashes and fans them out. You're not going to get super thick lashes. You're going to get long, fluttery eyelashes that I think that are perfect for the beach or poolside. It's a beautiful wet formula. I find that it lengthens my lashes without clumping them. And it's waterproof. Super affordable, super accessible, great waterproof mascara. At the end of the day, it's super easy to wash off. It's gentle on your eyelashes, and I love this formula. But it's the COVERGIRL Clump Crusher Waterproof Mascara. For blush, I want something quick and easy to dab on my cheeks if I want a little bit of flush of color. And I have been loving the NYX Sweet Cheeks Soft Cheek Tint. Now this is in the shade Baby Doll. I love how it has a little doe foot where you can strategically place it on your complexion. All you need to do is dab it in and it blends out beautifully. The best part is it has such great longevity to last throughout the day. Now, is it waterproof? No, it's not. But I find that the longevity really surpasses my expectations. It just provides a beautiful glow. It works fantastic with the foundation. It doesn't move. It just provides a nice natural glow. And Baby Doll is perfect for the beach. Love this. And I love the shades that it comes in. But for me, I'm taking Baby Doll to the beach. To set my under eyes and to set everything in place, because we do have a very glowy, radiant complexion, and I've forgotten how good this is. This is the Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Custom Pressed Powder. Oh my God, that's a mouthful. As you can see, I have hit pan for good reason. This is a pressed powder that I like to apply under my under eyes and to set everything in place. It is waterproof. It is stunning. It has a beautiful blurring effect. It just makes my skin so smooth. And like I said, it's waterproof. I actually tested it out and I splashed water all over my face. It just sets my under eye area so beautifully, so smoothing, and it's fantastic. It's a little pricey, I ain't gonna lie. You get so much product, you get a nice big mirror, you also get a sponge with it. I know mine's a little ratty, I'm sorry, but I find that this product lasts a long time. You can use it wet or dry. I like to use my concealer brush, tap a little bit on, and then set my under eye in place. It works beautifully. Super sleek, super thin, slides right into your makeup bag. Fantastic for travel. Hello, I totally forgot. For lips, I'm taking to the beach the Maybelline Green Edition Balmy Lip Blush. This is a beautiful, soft, creamy formula that feels great on the lips. It's super comfortable, and I love the fact that it's a balm. Yeah. Oh, and it smells good too. Comfortable on the lips, it's hydrating, it feels fantastic, it has the right amount of pigment for my lips, and it's affordable. So yeah, this is what I'm bringing for my lips. Now, the last product I wanted to share with you is from KOPARI. It is their Sun Shield Body Glow Gel SPF 50. It is a broad spectrum UVA UVB sunscreen. Now, it is clean, it's reef safe, vegan, cruelty free. It contains macadamia oil, antioxidant rich hibiscus oil to protect and repair, and of course, vitamin E. You guys, this looks like straight up shower gel to me. How can a sunscreen like this actually effectively work in the bright sun? Now, I don't know about you, but the sun in Florida is very intense. I like to layer my sunscreen. I thought this would be really intriguing because I am pasty white, and I thought this would offer like a beautiful glow to the skin. I've worn it around the house. I've worn it around here. I really want to put it to the test. Now, you have to reapply every 40 minutes. Now, it retails for $36 and you get 5.1 fluid ounces. You may think that's a lot, but if you have to reapply every 40 minutes, holy cannolis, that's a lot. What's cool about the actual components, as you pump it, it goes up so you can actually see how much you're using and how you're running out. But take it from me, when I'm at the beach, I'm constantly applying and reapplying sunscreen because I don't want to get burned. But I want to show you the consistency of this. And I've been playing with it at my desk. Like if I get bored at my desk at work, I'll just, oh, let's play with it. But let's check out the consistency. As you can see, it's super runny and it feels gelatinous, but let's rub it in. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead. It feels super silky. And I'll tell you what, it smells straight up delicious. It reminds me of the beach. It smells sweet. It just brings back, evokes such wonderful memories of the 80s when we used to fry ourselves with baby oil. But I'm going to show you what it looks like on my skin and see how glossy it is. Oh yeah, that's a mistake from 2005. Sorry, Dad. But it smells amazing. It feels hydrating. My question is, this is my question, is it really going to protect me from the really harsh sun rays of Florida? I mean, it feels amazing on the skin. And like I said, the people on Ulta gave it 5 stars. It feels super light. It feels, I ain't gonna lie, it feels kind of greasy. It is what it is. Now, is it really giving my skin a glow? Okay, this is with the sunscreen, KOPARI. This is without. I'm still pasty white. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see if this does provide SPF 50 with, of course, broad spectrum. It smells, I'm ready to go to the beach now. I'm just ready to go right now. But it is beautiful. It feels fantastic on the skin. But I will give you a follow-up when I'm actually at the beach and let you know if it's worth $36 and 5.1 ounces. It smells beautiful. It feels fantastic. One girl said she got burned at the pool. Ooh, that's not good, especially at our age, because we all know sun damage is the quickest way to aging. But yeah, I'm going to bring this to the beach. I'll let you know how it is. But for now, it smells, oh my God, it just is amazing, wonderful. But there you have it, guys. Those are the makeup and skincare products that I'm taking to the beach. Of course, I'm going to take a lot of other sunscreens for my family. Like I said, I'll be testing this out and letting you know in a future video if this is worth your money, if it's really going to protect you from the sun. But the other products that I've shared with you are tried and true, waterproof, beautiful on the skin, easy to travel with, and the majority of them are actually affordable and accessible. What are your go-to products to bring to the beach or on vacation that you absolutely can't live without? I want to know. Leave me a comment down below. But in my next upcoming video, I picked out the perfect summer eyeshadow palette, and I couldn't wait to share that with you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you would be a part of our family. And in case you want to hang out a little bit longer and check out some foundation reviews, check out the playlist down here. And for skincare reviews, check out the playlist right over there. But for now, mahal kita, I love you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.